So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this moment here, you will see that our main trend on EURJPY, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside, right? Now, when you zoom it in, you would also see that market is ranging within this level. So this is our current trend. So we have the main trend, which is this trend, which is an uptrend move. We also have the current trend, which is a ranging market move. Market is ranging in this level. Now, let's go down to the forward time frame, right? So this is it on our forward time frame. So market was able to push up to tap our resistance. There we had this drop that came to tap our support level. The market was able to push up again to tap our resistance, and then we had this drop that came to tap our support. Market then was able to push up to tap our resistance, which gave us like a false breakout. The market now dropped back to our support, and we are currently at this support level. So whatever you would want to be doing on your Euro JPY, you would want to be going in for the buy that should come to tap our resistance level. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So if you are a swing trader or you are a day trader, take your buy and hold your buy. Like I said, I'll say it again. Take your buy on your Euro JPY and hold the buy and look to take out opt out of your position around this resistance level, because between Friday and next week Monday, markets should hit this resistance level. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I give you guys the update. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, click on that subscribe button, like and share.